I've been exploring the Google News mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Google News is a personalized news app that pulls stories from many publishers and organizes them into an easy, scrollable feed, aimed at people who want a quick way to keep up with local and global headlines in one place. Its main strengths are the briefing and For You sections, which surface top world, national, and local stories while tailoring recommendations to your interests over time. The app also lets you follow specific topics or locations and view full coverage to see multiple sources and perspectives on the same story, which can be handy if you like comparing how different outlets report an event. Syncing with the desktop site makes it convenient to move between phone and computer without losing your place. However, it is not without flaws. Some reviewers praise it as a free, stylish alternative to paid services like Apple News, but others complain that the recommendation system can feel repetitive or overly driven by your past Google activity, so one search or tap can dominate your feed for days. There are also occasional frustrations with ads affecting article readability and with fine-grained controls, such as trying to tell the app to show fewer stories on a topic. Overall, with a 4.6 out of 5 rating from over 200,000 reviews, it is a solid choice if you value a free, customizable news hub and already use other Google services. If you prefer completely neutral recommendations, dislike data-driven personalization, or are easily annoyed by repetitive topics, you may want to try it cautiously and adjust expectations. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.